Organic chemistry is a branch of science that studies the interactions of molecules that contain carbon. Just look at this carbon atom. Just look at it. It has 4 valence electrons, and carbon has the ability to form tons of compounds. Carbon is a building element in life for this reason. Well, now that you get the point on how important carbon is, how it is. That means we need to take a look at how carbon can cycle.
First, it's important to understand that there are carbon reservoirs, basically areas where carbon can be found, where carbon is hanging out. And the carbon cycle is a cycling among these reservoirs.
So here are some major examples of where carbon is found. Carbon is dissolved in the ocean, it's in rocks, it's in fossil fuels, it's in living organisms, it can be found in the atmosphere. So the idea is to understand that carbon cycles among these reservoirs. Now, our time is limited, so let's take a look at one pathway. Consider carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It's taken in by organisms that perform photosynthesis. This may be plants, it could be algae in oceans or lakes. The carbon becomes a part of that photosynthetic organism. If the photosynthetic organism is eaten by an animal, it becomes a part of that animal too. And the animal that eats that animal. Both the plants and animals do cellular respiration, which releases carbon dioxide. When the plants and animals die, the carbon they contained can be stored in sediment. And over a long period of time, they can even be converted into fossil fuels. Now, the burning of fossil fuels produces a lot of carbon dioxide, but too much of that leads to the concern of excessive carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. See, carbon dioxide is greenhouse gas, which means it can trap heat in the atmosphere, so too much carbon dioxide is not a good thing. What about nitrogen? Well, nitrogen is a critical element in amino acids. Remember, that's the monomer of proteins. And it's also an element in nucleotides, which are the monomers of nucleic acids. And if you remember from our biomolecule video, proteins and nucleic acids are 2 very important biomolecules for life.